Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I am going to show you how you can create your signature in Outlook 365. In Outlook for Windows you can create one or more personalized signature for your email messages. Your signature can include text, picture, image and such as handwriting signature or logo. You can add signature manually to individual message, or you can have signature automatically added to your every message that you send. Let's get started. Here click on file and then click option. You will get option email, and then you can see here create modify signature for your message, and you can create a signature from here. Another way is to create a signature. Click new message, and here you will get option signature, and then you will get option signatures. Here click new and name your signature name. I just name as signature. Here you can just enter 2 times to make a space between your message and signature. I have a customized signature here, and I want to use this in the signature. So here you can see, if you want to make it a bold, you can bold it, and if you want to make a bigger, you can make it bigger. Here you can see, if you want to make underline, so here you can see, if you want to give any color, you can give any color to your signature. Like here I am going to give a green, and then other uh, as black. So by this way you can color your signature as well. If you want to add any image or any URL in your signature, you can directly paste, or you can just link a image from here. Let me add my company logo here. Just I am going to post the company logo bottom of the signature, then here image icon, and then select your browse and select your image. Here is my company logo. If you want to resize your image, you can resize your image by using this, and you can also use the color as well here. If you want to change a font of your signature for new, if you want to use different font for your signature for new message, if you want to use a different font like this font you can use, and font size is 11, then you can use this option and click OK. When you reply or forward message, if you want to use different font, just like different font, you can use different font. If you mark my comment with, if you want to mark your comment, you can use your comment as well. If you want to color up new email when you reply or forward your email, you want to create a new color, you can create a new color by choosing this option. And here you can choose font for that. If you want to use bold, and for the reply or forward message, you can use both font and this font. Last but not least, here you can see choose a default signature. For new message, if you want to use signature, then you can use signature. If you don't want to include your signature in reply or forward, you can make is none, but I am going to choose as signature. If you have multiple signature, you can choose multiple signature here, like signature and signature 1, and then click OK. Now let me show you. So by this way you can create a signature for your email, or if you send any email or forward any email, you can create a signature by this. Hope you like my video. If it's suitable for you and you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.